Welcome back to B-Stride DIY. I'm going in Home Depot to show you their store and tool deals in March. So they are showing off their Ryobi deals here. As you can see, they have a free battery when you select one of these tools here. And the battery's worth is a $69 value. At first I was looking down here to the left and they had one battery here for $179. This is their 8 amp hour battery, and it's actually, when I looked online, it's the $69 2 amp hour battery that they're giving away. And I kind of later saw that in the store as well. So you get the battery free here. Here's the deals. With the purchase of the qualifying tool, they have the hand reciprocating saw, the multi-tool, the drill or driver kit, power scrubber for $79, the crown stapler or the circular saw for $59. And over here to the right is the stud finder. I'll show you that here. This is the Ryobi stud finder for $31.97, the whole stud finder. Now for $189, this is the Makita drill and impact driver kit. So it was over $200. This is what it looks like. It comes with the battery, or 2 batteries, and the carrying case, and that's for $189. And for $199, Ryobi has this electric power washer. It's 2,000 PSI. This is the water hose it comes with. It also comes with the sprayer arm, of course, and different sprayer bits. This is the soap compartment here. You've got the on-off switch up top and the directions up top as well. That's a pretty good deal, I think. I haven't seen one of these from Ryobi before. I wonder if it's a new product here, but they've also got this 2,900 PSI, 9.5 gallons per minute. This is gas. It's a gas pressure washer for $299. Was $349. And they're showing the star rating. This is 4 out of 5 stars online, if you want to look it up there for the reviews. That's in Spanish. This is in English here. Comes with the hose, siphon hose, nozzles, and engine lubricant. And that's for $299. And it has a 3-year warranty on it. Now DeWalt actually has one as well. There's actually, I thought it was a radio before I saw the sprayer arm. But it's $299, was $349. And this one actually comes with a handle. It breaks down for internal storage, which is always nice. It comes with the sprayer handle and then a handle that you can carry it by. Look over here in the bottom right, a retractable handle. You can carry it like a suitcase. And in the frame, you can stack on top of it as well, which is kind of cool. Now this is the deal of the day. Now this may not be in your Home Depot store, but this is for $199. Was $349. They're saying there's 31 left. This is a Hampton Bay 44-inch outdoor gas fire pit from Summerfield. It's pretty large and it looks pretty cool. So just check out your deal of the day. It's going to be different than this likely, but they usually have this in the store and you can ask someone or go online and it shows it online as well for deal of the day. So they had a few of these. It looks pretty nice. Again, from Hampton Bay. For $299, this is a Ryobi 1 mower here. They had a whole bunch of mowers kind of going from this price, $299 and upwards. Now this is a 16-inch, 18-volt brushless lawnmower. It has 40 minutes of runtime on the battery. It says ideal for 1/3 acre or less of lawn, hassle-free push-button start. And it includes 2 batteries, which I like. So you can have one charge and one as a backup when you're mowing. So these here, this is the 329 model for the Ryobi 40-volt cordless battery walk-behind mower. Let me know in the comments if you have an electric mower or are thinking about it. I've never used one, but I've always just done gas. And I kind of am partial to gas just because that's what I've used. But let me know what you think. So they're recommending a mower blade as well. Comes with the charger, a battery, and this is what it looks like on the side. This is one of these soap dispensers for $149. If you've gone on Amazon lately or been on TikTok, you've seen these that are people are using. They're showing it on an oven, a car, I guess, with a different head, obviously, and on the bath. Now this is the scrubber accessory kit. It's 11 pieces for fiberglass, tile, and plastic, and that's for $29. Now this one says it's for outdoor furniture. It says plastic, glass, and outdoor furniture. It's the Vortex attachment for $17. Now this is a Jobsite blower or inflator, I guess, has 3-in-1 capability for $119, and they've got that one locked up. For $99, this is a Ryobi 13-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. And your choice for $99 of these items here: a battery, circular saw, $49 for the wet dry hand vac, and then the cutoff tool. I'm not sure why they have the $119 by the battery. That was the original price. So double check that. There's the jigsaw. This is the impact driver for $149, and then they've got the ratchet tool here for $149, the extended ratchet tool for $149. These are different drill bit sets for $20 through $29, an oscillating tool set here. This is pretty cool. I like the design of this. This is a USB lithium charger. You can use it for your mobile phone. It shows the different colors for the battery level status. This is build your own storage from Ryobi. It's the Ryobi Link here, a tool chest. You look inside, it's got the little compartments you can attach to the side, and then it's got this rubber gasket along the edge, which I really like, so you can store all kinds of stuff in that. Here we've got the 149 Ryobi one. This is the propane heater, 18-volt hybrid forced air propane heater. Now this one has 5 stars. It's for $159. It's the 4-volt Ryobi toolkit here. Comes with the drill and driver, circular saw, and then the lamp as well. And then for $99, they've got the circular saw and the drill deal if you just need that. And that's the price on that one. That's about 5 stars as well. For $69, they've got the Ryobi 13-amp circular saw. Measurements on that is 7¼ inches. This is what it looks like here. 3-year warranty it looks like. And this is what it is outside of the box, if you want to check it out here. So this is a $7.99, it was $8.99, Ryobi 21-inch electric mower. It's 40-volt horsepower, 21 inches, self-propelled, cross-cut. It says it's got 70 minutes of runtime on per battery, I'm assuming here. It's 6 amp hours. And now it includes 2 batteries and a rapid charger, which is nice. Now they're recommending extra blades as well. This is what it looks like on the side. I really like that it comes with 2 batteries because you can have both of them charged, and that way you're not limited on mowing time. They've still got this. This has been around for a few months, the Defiant 6-pack accent lights with remote control that change colors. They include batteries, which is always a plus. And they've got the sticky on the back side, so you can stick them where you need to. They've got these Ryobi trimmers and cutters here. For $112, this is the string trimmer and blower. So it used to be $139. For $99, this is a lithium 18-volt trimmer. It was $139. This is what that looks like. They've got all their outdoor tools out, which kind of makes sense. It is March. Now this is a 18-volt string trimmer, edger, and jet blower combo kit. For $176, it was $229. They've got the blower and then the trimmer here. And this is the backside of it, and that's the battery. DeWalt's got their items as well. There weren't as many DeWalt tools out. It was basically a Ryobi show here. For $159, they've got their blower. This is 20 volts. And $159, 20-volt max battery-powered hedge trimmer as well. That's nice. 22 inches hedge trimmer. And I'll get a close-up for you there. It's the tool only, just keep that in mind. For $5.97, about half off, they've got some diamond grit impact drive bits. Rigid had their circular 15-amp worm drive circular saw with a lifetime warranty. And basically with the worm drive, you've got the motor on the back of it, as well as it's going to be providing you with more torque instead of RPMs. So if you're cutting through something that you need a lot more power, you would probably want a worm drive. But this is what it looks like outside of the box. Corded, of course. And here's the spec. 7¼ inch circular saw, 15 amps, 4650 RPMs, and a little bit heavier, 15 pounds. This is that fan for $59. It's pretty quiet.